Hello everyone, I'm Babita Kumari, Senior Software Engineer at Microsoft. Today I'm excited to discuss innovative cloud architectures revolutionizing enterprise operations through AI integration. We will explore how AI and ML are transforming the way business operates and innovate, driving efficiency and creating new possibilities. In this presentation, I'll cover four key areas: advancement in AI powered cloud architectures, case study showcasing real world applications, best practices for designing innovative architectures, future developments shaping enterprise operations. So without further ado, let's dive in. Let's talk about key advancements. ANML are reshaping enterprise cloud architectures through these three pivotal advancements. First one is predictive resource management. Enterprises nowadays are using AI to dynamically allocate resources, achieving up to 91% accuracy in resource management and also minimizing waste. Automated scaling. Machine learning enables systems to adjust resources automatically during peak uses, and that improves efficiency by 67%. Last but not the least, intelligent security. AI driven threat detection models now prevent up to 99.7% of potential security breaches. This provides unmatched reliability and trust. So, these advancements enable any enterprise to be agile, efficient, and also secure, which is the topmost priority. So, now let's talk about multi cloud frameworks. Most enterprises are now embracing multi-cloud frameworks, combining both public and private clouds. The public clouds like Azure, AWS ensure scalability and 99% uptime, hosting the majority of workloads. Whereas private clouds offer more secure environments for very sensitive data, ensuring compliance and control. So this hybrid approach balances flexibility, performance, and also, of course, cost. So let's talk about what are the four key layers or key components for any modern cloud architectures. The first one is data processing layer. It handles up to 100,000 transactions per second, and this ensures real-time insights. Then next comes the AI and ML integration layer. This supports over 1.5 million daily intelligent operations, and it helps in automated decision making. The security framework is the most important one as well. So it gives and implements zero trust models, safeguarding sensitive data and achieving industry leading compliance. Monitoring and analytics is also very key player here. So real-time monitoring ensures 99% time and predictive uses reservations. So each layer is essential for delivering high-performing and reliable systems. So let's talk about a case study of a global manufacturing corporation. So we'll talk about these principles in action. The challenge we faced was a global manufacturer faced efficiencies in supply chain, which costed around 12.3 million annually. So we implemented a AI-driven predictive analytics and real-time monitoring to improve decision making and reduce downtime. The solution was to just include predictive analytics and also add monitoring, which can help in more insightful decision making and can reduce the downtime. The outcome were transformative. Percent downtime reduction and 4.2 million in annual savings and a 52% improvement in supply chain reliability. This use case or this global manufacturer corporation case study demonstrate how AI can drive a very measurable impact. Now let's talk about the best practices. So to replicate such a success, consider these three best practices. Access infrastructure regularly. So evaluate your cloud setup to ensure it aligns with evolving business needs. It's not like one-time setup is done because we ever evolve our needs. Then we need to access infrastructure, whether it's meeting, whether we need more or less. So we should be accessing the infrastructure regularly. Then gradual migration strategy. For very huge enterprises, this is the best approach. Transition workloads incrementally to reduce risk and maintain continuity. Also define success metrics like clear KPIs such as cost reduction, system reliability, and uptime to measure and guide progress and keep on doing that. So all these three steps, keep on doing that regularly. These steps provide a foundation for scalable and efficient persistence. We have to be on top of this to make sure we are measuring and guiding progress and taking benefit of anything which is coming in future. Let's talk about the integration strategy like I was mentioning in the last slide. So scaling AI requires a dynamic parameter adjustments, optimizing performance for workloads ranging from low to high demand. And then robust monitoring frameworks, real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, proactive use, and proactive issue and resolution. So this is also one of the important factors to be considered. Let's talk about continuous improvement or continuous performance optimization. Leveraging AI to fine-tune systems for evolving requirements. So such strategy maximize the potential of any AI-powered architecture. So looking ahead, we see exciting trends. Looking ahead, we see exciting trends reshaping the enterprise landscape. Quantum computing integration, which involves quantum ML models, will enhance computational capability, bring up to 200% efficiency and gains. So the future is really bright. Let's talk about multi-cloud orchestration. This is happening even now, but in the future, we'll be a seamless collaboration across platforms. It will improve operational efficiency even more by 94%. And the edge computing revolution. The real-time data processing at the edge will boost reliability to 99.99%, enabling faster, smarter decision-making. These advancements will redefine how any enterprise operation in the years is to come. It is are definitely looking forward, and as I said, the future is looking really great in this. And the trends are going to reshape how any enterprise operations is going to be in the many years to come. To summarize, AI-powered cloud architectures deliver 40 to 45% improvements in operational efficiency, which is a huge. And then 35 to 50% is in cost reduction, 60 to 70% in system reliability enhancement. So, like I said, these technologies are not just transformation, they are more about empowerment and driving business to innovate and grow at the same time. At Microsoft, we are committed to building this type of solutions and enable any enterprise to thrive in this rapidly evolving world. Now, thank you so much for your attention, and I look forward to your questions. Please feel free to connect with me. I'm available on LinkedIn, and from this conference, you could also get my contact details. I'm looking forward for any questions you have, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much.